Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Shopify, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Shopify website at www.shopify.com. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password for your account. Input your store name in the designated box. Click the Create Your Store button to proceed. Complete the setup questions regarding your business. Fill in your name and address details as prompted. Choose whether you're already selling products or just starting out. Click Next to move forward. Now, you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available options. To add products, click on Products in the left sidebar. Select Add Product to start listing your items. Fill in the product title, description, and pricing information. Upload product images by clicking on the Upload section. Set the inventory tracking details if applicable. Adjust shipping options and product variants as needed. Once all details are completed, click Save Product. Next, navigate to Online Store on the left sidebar. Select Themes to customize your store's look. Browse the available themes or click Explore Free Themes. Choose a theme that fits your brand and click Install. After, modify colors, fonts, and layout as per your preference. Once satisfied, click Save to update your theme. Return to the admin dashboard to set up payment methods. Select Settings at the bottom left corner. Click on Payment Providers to choose your preferred options. Follow the prompts to set up credit card and other payment methods. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.